Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Freeform application for iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Freeform application for iPhone, first, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Once it is, go and tap Open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in Freeform and perform your search. Once you end up in the search result and you'll be able to see this application, tap the download button in order to download the application for your iPhone. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see the open button. Give it a tap to launch, open the app. That is how you can easily download Freeform application for iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.